In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-step workflow on Make.com. Whether you're new to automation or looking to streamline your processes, setting up a workflow can be a game changer. Let's dive in and get started. To kick things off, open up Make.com. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the option to create a new scenario. A scenario in Make.com is essentially your workflow. Think of it as the playground where all your automation magic happens. So let's go ahead and set the stage for your automation journey. The cornerstone of any workflow is its trigger module. This is what initiates the entire process. Now, there are plenty of triggers you can choose from, depending on the tools and services you use. Popular options include webhooks, Google Sheets, Gmail, Airtable, Slack, Shopify, and Calendly. For the sake of this example, let's go with webhooks. Once you've chosen webhooks, you'll want to opt for the Custom Webhook option. This selection is key because it gives you the flexibility to define how external data will flow into your workflow. Next up is configuring your trigger. You'll need to click on Add to create your webhook. Give it a name that makes sense to you and reflects the data it will be handling, then save it. Saving will generate a webhook URL, a unique web address where data can be sent to start the workflow. An example URL might look something like https hook.us1make.com x86x. Make sure to copy this URL. It's crucial for testing your trigger. Now let's test that trigger. By sending some sample data to your newly created webhook, you ensure everything is set up correctly. Here's a little example. You can send over a JSON payload like this. Imagine it's representing a user named John, emailing you with a message about their curiosity in your services. Once you've got your sample data ready, hit Run Once. This action allows Make.com to capture the structure of the data you'll be working with. After successfully testing, it's time to add a second module to your scenario. Just click the plus icon to introduce another app or service that will interact with the trigger. There's a range of choices, from OpenAI and Google Sheets to Airtable, Notion, or Slack, whichever suits your project needs. Mapping the data between steps is where the flow of information really takes shape. You'll effectively transfer data points, like a name or email, from the webhook into another module. Picture this in practice. Taking the name from your webhook and inserting it into a new Google Sheets row, or including that email in a Slack message. If you're working with AI, you might generate a prompt like writing a reply to a contact about their message. Optionally, you can harness the power of filters to add conditions to your workflow. This feature allows for specifications such as only continuing if an email is present or if a status reads as paid. To apply a filter, just click on the line between your modules and select Set up a filter. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a multi-step workflow on Make.com. Now you can automate with confidence. So go ahead, unleash the full potential of productivity and creativity.